Simplifying factorials, we're going to simplify each of the following. So the first one, I want to show how I can not necessarily use a calculator and worry about calculating what each one is. So if we have 5 factorial, we can break that down to, and I'm going to expand this a little more than I normally would, but we know that represents 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 factorial represents 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this part would all cancel out and you would just be left with 5. Now again, time consuming to expand all these numbers when we know what's going to happen. So what we would like you to do now, or how you can save yourself some time, is you start expanding. So 5 times 4. Well, I see a 4 factorial in the denominator, so I'm going to stop there. And I'm going to leave this as 4 factorial, as 4, 3, 2, 1 is 4 factorial. Leave that 4 factorial there. And then you can cancel that out and get 5. So we're going to use that strategy here just to practice that. So if I have 16, I'm going to count down until I get to the 12 factorial. Then I leave that factorial symbol there, and the 12 factorial here will cancel. Then 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. Mental math wise, that's fairly easy to do. Okay, so you know you're going to have 6 in the denominator. You can use your calculator now to go 16 times 15 times 14 times 13, and you're going to get 43,680. So then divide that by 6, and you're going to get 7,280. Now, it's going to be quite common that you're going to use factorials with some variables as well. So if I have this, I want to count down so that one of the so I can cancel out the factorials. So if I count down the expand, well, I say count down because we're going to use that strategy. We start with n, then we would write n minus 1, n minus 2, and that would cancel out. If you're not sure which one to pick, talk through it. N minus 2, if I chose that, I would say n minus 3, n minus 4. I'm going in the wrong direction. I'm never reaching n. So we're going to start with n minus 1, n minus 2. I'm going to stop there. I need that factorial symbol. It needs to be outside of the brackets. N minus 2 in brackets factorial. Make sure the brackets are there. These will cancel. So you're left with n times n minus 1, which is n squared minus n.